We now know that the disease is mostly caused by a group of viruses called HPV, and women with HIV are 3 times more likely to develop cervical cancers than HIV-negative women. Cancers can be hard to fight, but there's hope there. Vaccines have been developed that can prevent up to 70% of cervical cancers. That means lives can be saved. Around the world, countries are rolling out HPV vaccination programs. But in South Africa, the cost is simply too high. The vaccine costs over 2,000 rand, far beyond the financial means of most South Africans. TAC believes that the South African government should begin a vaccination program against HPV among young girls and boys. But that can't even begin to happen unless the drug companies bring down their prices to an affordable level. Please help us to make these essential life-saving medicines affordable